Hey there, Spyder owners. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our dashboard storage pouch for the 2020 and up Spyder RT. Introducing our dashboard storage pouch for the 2020 and up Can-Am Spyder RT from our friends over at Hopnel. This bag has been specifically designed to contour the lines of the RT dashboard and measures in at 10 inches across by 9 inches tall and is 2 inches thick. Now, this marine vinyl dashboard bag is manufactured in the USA and provides you with an easy to access storage area that's perfect for things like chapstick, snacks, or anything else small enough to fit that you might need quick access to. Now, this will mount to the dash with a Velcro style hook and loop system for a very simple installation. So first, clean the surface area with an alcohol wipe and let that sit for a minute to dry. Then peel off the protective backing tape from the Velcro strips. Align the bag so that it's centered on the dash, and then press down firmly to adhere it in place. And that's all there is to it, folks. So if you're looking to add a little extra storage to your 2020 and up Spyder RT that's easily accessible, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.